Hi, my name is Ujjwal Farajuli, and in this video, I'm going to explain about the design implementation, uh, the challenges faced, and the solutions to the network of the ABC IT company. Uh, the design was like this, in which the Sydney router has two switches, and one switch was having static IP configuration and another one was having dynamic IP configuration for the users. And in the Melbourne, there was ether channel which was used to communicate between the two VLANs. Here we use the RIP routing protocol. So initially it was working, but now the company is saying that there is uh, latency in the communication between the network, and there is also delay between the communication within the Melbourne VLANs. And the route, this is because of the routing and switching protocols they use, and because of lack of redundancy as well. And we clearly agree on that one uh, because they are using the RIP routing protocol. It has a limited hop counts of only 15, and it is not scalable, and it doesn't converge easily. And there is also no redundancy for the ether channels in Melbourne network. And the router is handling all the traffic from the VLANs and the WAN traffic as well. So there is latency uh, in the network. To solve this issue, we like to recommend the use of OSPF. OSPF is a link state protocol, and it does not work on hop count but works on advanced method which is called as which is based on cost. And cost is basically the total bandwidth for routing. And we also recommend using layer 3 switch in Melbourne to handle the VLAN traffic. And layer 3 switch is the switch which has both switching and some routing capabilities. As they have expressed the interest to implement the wireless network in their company, we agree with the use of wireless network, but as the wireless network is very vulnerable to attacks, so there should be a strong security measures. Some of the security measures include the use of WPA3 encryption, which comes with which supports SAE encryption. And the authentication can be done with radius servers. They require the authentication, authorization, and accounting of any devices or any users which try to enter the network. And for the network monitoring, we recommend the SolarWinds network monitoring because of its simplicity and because of its features. It can provide the real-time information about the bandwidth and traffic. It is easily scalable, and it can be used by the small organizations and the medium and large organizations like the ABC company. And it also allows us to check the topology maps, which can be helpful which can be helpful to check the problems in the network. Moreover, it also provides fault protection, and it alerts the network administrators in case anything suspicious happens in the network. And it can also manage both wired and wireless network, which can be useful for the ABC company, as it has both wired and it is planning to implement the wireless network soon. While there are other free network monitoring tools available, but SolarWinds has many features which makes it more desirable than the open source network monitoring tools, like resilience, faster troubleshooting, and all of it helps to minimize the downtime. And finally, to secure the communication between the two branches, we recommend the use of IPsec VLAN internally. It helps also the implementation IPsec VPN tunnel. The use of VPN helps in maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and authentication of the data. IPsec IPsec is an important and globally recognized protocol which adds encryption and authentication to make the data secure. We recommend the use of the VPN, IPsec VPN. To conclude everything I have just said, the problem in the network of the ABC company is because of the use of the routing and switching protocols, and we recommend upgrading them to OSPF routing protocol and adding layer 3 switches. We also recommend you adding the redundant switches and connections in case anything happens. And for the network monitoring tools, we recommend using the SolarWinds network monitoring. Thank you.